Today's video is another cute video of our current newest foster kittens playing around in their playpen and learning how cool people are and socializing them and getting them ready for their new homes at some point. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks, and have a perfect day.